Dear student, as you already aware that the Mendel's law of dominance based on monohybrid cross is not universal, right? It is not accepted by all the organisms, or the phenomena is not seen in all the organisms. There are few exceptions, or I can say deviations to Mendel's law. What are they? There are 4 deviations are there. In my last class we discussed about which one? The incomplete dominance with the help of which plant? With the help of dog flower or the snapdragon plant, which was explained by Karl Korens. In this session we are going to discuss the another exception or deviation to Mendel's law, which is that codominance and multiple alleles phenomena. We are left with 2 more. They are pleiotropy and polygenic inheritance that I will discuss in my next lecture. Now let us try to understand how exactly this concept or the phenomena is an exception which is not obeying the law of dominance. Before going to that, let us try to recall about blood grouping, what we discussed in the last year in the first PUC. In the chapter body fluids and circulation, we know one thing, that according to International Union of Blood Transfusion, according to their studies, there are 33 different types of blood grouping are there. How many? 33 different types of blood grouping are there. In that already we studied 2. What are they? ABO blood grouping is one among them. RH blood grouping is there. You might have heard about Bombay blood group, some say, right? That is one more kind. Likewise MN blood grouping. Such many are there. One very important blood grouping that we discussed last year, it is ABO, and one more is RH. And even we know that the concept of ABO blood grouping was given by Karl Landsteiner. And here I am not going to focus on RH grouping. Let me see only ABO blood grouping system. I have not yet started the actual concept. I am just recalling what we discussed last year. According to this, human population has 4 different types of blood groups, right? What are they? A blood group, B blood group, and one more is O blood group. How we will name these blood groups, or how we will differentiate these blood groups? They are identified or differentiated, or these blood groups are named based on the presence of antigen on the surface of RBC. There are 2 naturally available antigens responsible for ABO blood grouping alva. Estide 2 naturally occurring antigens will be present on the surface of the RBC. In this case, what are they? One is A antigen, another one is the B antigen. Suppose in an individual's RBC, on the surface of RBC, if there is which antigen? A antigen, then the person will be referred as which blood group? A blood group. Suppose on the surface of RBC, right, a biconcave cell, if there is B antigen, then the person will be which blood group? B blood group. Is there any C antigen? No. When I speak about ABO blood grouping, naturally available 2 antigens are A antigen, B antigen. If I speak about RH blood grouping, hope you remember that. In case of RH, there is a separate antigen. That is RH antigen. Hage innondu blood grouping ide, MN blood grouping anta heli. When we speak about that, there are 2 different antigens are there. But when I speak about ABO, the 2 naturally occurring antigens are A antigen, B antigen. If they are present, the person will be A blood group, B blood group. If the person has both A antigen as well as B antigen, then the person will be which blood group? AB blood group. If there are no antigens corresponding to this particular blood grouping, if there are no A and B antigen, then the person will be what? O blood group. And I'm sure You even remember that, okay? Based on the antigen, we named the blood groups. Even we know that in the blood plasma, the person will have antibodies. A blood group person has which antibody? B antibody. B blood group person has A antibody. AB blood group person has no antibody in the blood plasma. No antibody in the sense corresponding to this blood group. Remember that, okay? Here both A antibody, B antibody are present. But as I am going to discuss in this genetics about the phenomena or the concept called codominance, for the next 10 minutes, remember that I am focusing on ABO blood grouping. In that, I want to focus only on A and B antigen, how they determine my blood group. ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ರೈಟ್ ನೌ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಆಂಟಿಬಾಡೀಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಮಾ. I hope this much basic is clear to you. Now, if you observe, we have on our chromosome number 9, okay? Chromosome number 9, all of we, how many pairs of chromosome we have? 23 pairs of chromosomes are there, right? In that, the 9th or the I can say 9th pair of chromosome, 23 pair ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, 9th pair of chromosome ಅಲ್ಲಿ all of we have a gene called gene I. All of we have this gene. What is the name of the gene? Gene I, okay? According to Mendel, right, we know that a gene will be available in how many alternate forms? 2 alternate forms. Say for example, if it is height gene, its 2 alleles are capital T, small t. We know till now, as per our study, based on our study, ಒಂದು gene ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಮೆಂಡಲ್ ಹೇಳಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ನಮಗೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, one gene will be available in how many alleles? 2 alleles or 2 alternate forms. One is capital T, small t, capital R, small r. But when I observed this gene I, remember the gene I is available in how many alleles? 3 alleles. What are they? One is allele IA, allele IB, and one more is allele small I. Whether it is following the Mendelian concept? No, Mendelian concept illi follow ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. The phenomena or a condition in which a gene is having more than 2 alternative forms. Alternative forms of a gene are nothing but what? Alleles ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. A condition in which a gene available in or gene having more than 2 alternate forms ಅಥವಾ more than 2 alleles, the condition is called what? Multiple alleles. And these 3 alleles are present not in an individual. Remember that. In Sunil Chittal, at 9th pair, all the 3 cannot be present. So, what I said, more than 2 alleles of the same gene, all the 3 alleles cannot be found in a single individual. It will be found in a population, okay? A population of second PU students of SR college, ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನ ನಾನು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ರೈಟ್, ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ, ಎಲ್ಲರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನೋಡುವಾಗ 9th pair ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೋಟಲಿ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್? 3 alleles are there. But a individual can have any of the 2 allele only, okay? In a population 3 alleles at 9th pair. But ಒಂದು individual ಅಂತ ಮಾತಾಡುವಾಗ possibilities how many? Only 2. Let me take my 9th pair. Consider this is my 9th pair of chromosome. ಈಗ ಈ 9th pair of chromosome ಅಲ್ಲಿ I am having, say for example, IA, IB. Can I have small I also? No. Why? Why? Because I am a diploid animal. Alva? Do I am a triploid animal? No. As we are diploid, any of the 2 allele can be present in an individual. ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡುವಾಗ ಎನಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟೂ ಮಾತ್ರ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡಿಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಡ್, ಕೇವಲ ಒಂದು ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ರೋಮೋಸೋಮ್ ಇದೆ. ದೆರ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ 3 chromosomes ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. ಬಟ್ now the question is where all the 3 alleles are present in a population. Let me take my case. I have this one. Let me take the case of Sunil Joshi sir. Okay, here he can be having IA, small I don't know, I'm just telling you. Okay, let me take your principal sir. Here he is having, say for example, IB. Okay, small I. You are understanding? When you take a population at 9th pair, you are finding all the 3 alleles of the same gene. But when you speak about an individual, any of the 2 alleles will be present. Why anta keltare? Your answer is we are what? We are diploid individuals. Clear? Now, okay, the gene I is available in more than 2 alternative forms at same locus. The locus is always same. What is locus? The location, the position, the site where a particular allele or a gene is present on a homologous chromosome. More than 2 alternate forms of the same gene present at same locus on a homologous chromosome in a population is called what? Multiple alleles. And the multiple alleles are also called, the condition can be also called gene polymorphism. This phenomena can be called gene polymorphism or multiple allelism. Clear? This condition can be called gene polymorphism or it is can be also called multiple allelism. Now the question is, what is the job of these 3 alleles? 3 allele ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Remember that the allele IA, what is that? It will undergo a series of process called transcription translation that you study in the mol bio. The allele IA produces, NCERT says it produces a sugar. Okay, what is that sugar? That sugar is nothing but what? A antigen, what we call. Even though NCERT it is given that sugar, actually gene will not code for a sugar. Hope you know that. ಒಂದು gene ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ gene will not code for a carbohydrate. Gene always code for a protein, a sequence of amino acids. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಿ, NCERT ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಶುಗರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಎ ಆಂಟಿಜನ್, ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಆಂಟಿಜನ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕೋಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ಅಲೆಲ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ವಾಟ್? Gene IA. Even it is also considered as a it is a what is that? I'm sorry, it is a protein. Very sorry, it is a protein. A protein along with a sugar that is called glycoprotein. What I am saying, sugar or antigen, it is actually a glycoprotein. Is that clear? Meanwhile, the allele IB also undergoes transcription, translation, and it also produces sugar. But sugar produced by IA allele, sugar is also produced by IB allele. Whether both are same, they are not exactly same. These 2 sugars are slightly differing from each other. Clear? These 2 sugars produced by 2 different alleles of the same gene are slightly differing from each other, which I can call B antigen. Okay, slightly differing from each other. What about small I? Small I does not produce any sugar. That's why it is very clear that the small I is dominant or recessive. It is in the recessive condition. Yake small I recessive? Because it is not producing any sugar athawa antigen, whereas allele IA, allele IB, as both are producing sugar, even though they are not exactly same, they are slightly differing from each other. Alva, if both are exactly same, why I will give different names to them? They are slightly differing from each other as the sugar or the antigen is produced by these two alleles. It is very clear that both of them are dominant. When compared to allele small I, the small I is not producing any sugar. That's why small I is in which state? Recessive state. So I repeat once again, 3 alleles present in a population, but an individual can have only 2 of them because we are diploid. And one more very important point is, right? One more very important point is allele IA, allele IB, both are producing the sugar, but not which one? But not small I. Hence IA is also dominant. IB is also found dominant in comparison to small I because it is not producing any sugar, hence it is a recessive. Now, if I consider the individuals, let me take here like this. Okay, I will take one as parent 1, parent 2, father and mother. If a father, see, individual is having any of the two, alva? A gamete produced by an individual, a gamete, a sperm or a ova produced by an individual, gametes are always what? Haploid. As gametes are haploid, so any of the one will be present, right? As gametes are haploid. Suppose if the father's sperm is having IA allele, okay, and the mother's ova is also having which one? IA allele, then in the baby, what is the genotype? What is the genotype of progeny? Then we have to check what is the phenotype of whom? Progeny. ತಂದೆಯಿಂದ IA allele, ತಾಯಿ ಕೂಡ ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ ಥ್ರೂ ಅವರ್ ಓವಾ? IA allele. Now in that baby, when zygote is formed, the genotype will be IAIA. At 9th pair of the chromosome, the baby is going to have IA as well as IA. As IA allele produces sugar or the A antigen, alva? ಈ antigen RBC ಯ ಮೇಲೆ produce ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ what is the phenotype of that person? What is the blood group of that person? The blood group is A. Suppose if one parent contribute IA, another parent gives small I allele through OVA or sperm, ಹೇಗೆ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. One is giving IA, another is giving I. When zygote is formed in that baby, the genotype will be IAI. Can you guess what is the blood group of the baby? It is once again which one? A blood group only. Why? Why? Because in comparison to small I, it is not producing any sugar, but IA is producing the sugar or the antigen on the surface of the RBC. IA is expressed, small I is suppressed. Hence, once again, this genotype also responsible for which one? A. Suppose if you are a blood group person, okay, your genotype can be either IAIA or your genotype can be IAI. If it is IAIA, I can say homozygous condition for A blood group, alva? Same ಇದೆ. This is heterozygous condition for A blood group. ನಿಮ್ಮದು A blood group ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ any of the one will be your genotype. Now you will ask me which one is mine among the two. Okay, that also I will tell you how to identify that. If you understand this concept, you can check that also. That we will see how exactly. Suppose if one parent contribute IB, another parent also contributes IB, then the genotype will be what? IB. Again, you know the answer. It is producing the sugar on the surface of the RBC. Hence, the baby's blood group will be what? B. Suppose if one parent contribute IB, another small I, then the genotype will be IBI. again you know the person is what? B blood group. If you are a B blood group person, you may be either homozygous to B blood group or ನಿಮ್ಮ genotype ನಿಮ್ಮ 9th chromosome pair ಮೇಲೆ you may be heterozygous to B blood group. Is that clear? A blood group can be due to either homozygous or heterozygous. A B blood group can be due to either homozygous or heterozygous condition. Suppose, hope this much is clear. If one parent give IA, another parent contribute IB. Ega very important, observe ಮಾಡಿ. IA, IB. What is the genotype of the progeny? It is IAIB. Right? The genotype of the progeny will be IAIB. Then what is the blood group? Whether it is A blood group or B blood group, it will be what? Surprisingly, it will be AB blood group. Yake AB blood group? Because here we cannot see in this case the law of dominance is not applicable. Suppose ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ law of dominance applicable ಅಂತ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ, here the individual should be either A or B, alva. But in this case, as both are producing sugar, ಎರಡೂ ಅಲಿಲ್ಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಶುಗರ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ in that man at a time both sugars are present on the surface of RBC. IA is also producing the sugar, IB is also producing the sugar, hence the person will be AB blood group. So dear student, whether do you find here the law of dominance is applicable in this case? Answer is no. Right? This phenomena or the concept we call what? Codominance. What is codominance? A condition in which both alleles of a pair, I repeat, a condition in which both the alleles of a pair are equally dominant. IA is also dominant, IB is also dominant, hence it is called what? Right? Codominance. I repeat once again. In the case of dominance explained by 3 factors, in that 3 key points, the third key point is in a dissimilar pair of factor, one will be expressed, another one will be suppressed. That is capital T, small t case. Right? In incomplete dominance, a phenomena in which the F1 progeny has a phenotype that does not resemble either of the parents and was in between the two. That is in case of capital R, small r, partially dominant. It is incomplete dominant. But what is codominance? A phenomena in which both alleles of a pair are equally dominant. Hence it is called what? Codominance. And NCERT says the example is ABO blood group. You are going to write the same thing. Which is the example for codominance anta kelidre nimma answer ABO blood group. Which is the example for multiple alleles? Once again the answer is the same. But remember, when I say codominance, if you write ABO blood grouping, you have to write that only. Or even you can say whether all blood groups are example for codominance. No, in ABO system only AB blood group is the best example for which one? The concept or the phenomena of codominance. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನಾವು ಬೇರೆ ಆನಿಮಲ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಬೇಕಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲೇ ಲಾ ಆಫ್ ಡಾಮಿನೆನ್ಸಿಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಷನ್ಗಳಿವೆ. ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಈಸ್ ABO blood grouping, nothing but which one? AB blood group. Suppose if one parent give allele I, another parent also gives allele small I, then the genotype will be small I. Both are not producing any sugar on the surface of the RBC. Hence the blood group will be what? O. Is that clear? This is how in the ABO blood grouping system, the blood group is determined by a gene present on chromosome number 9, and compared to other genes, it is a case which is known for multiple allele. Mendel taught to us a gene is available in 2 allele, but here when more than 2 alternative forms of a same gene present at same locus on a homologous pair, we call it as what? multiple alleles and the phenomena called multiple allelism or gene polymorphism. And when in a pair of dissimilar factor both are equally expressed, then the condition is called what? Codominance. Clear? This is how it is an deviation or exception to which one? Mendel's law of dominance. Here you can expect for 1 mark the definition of these two. They can ask you for 3 mark or 5 mark, explain the concept. Apart from that, 1 mark question, write the genotype for A blood group. What is your answer? 1 mark ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ what are the genotypes of A blood group? ನಿಮ್ಮ answer IAIA or IAI. Write both. If they ask, write the genotype of a AB blood group person, your answer is IAIB. ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರೆದರೆ ಆಯಿತು. Is that clear? This is the main concept. And one more 1 mark question. How many genotypes are possible in ABO blood grouping system? Listen to the question carefully. How many different genotypes are possible in ABO blood grouping system? 2 plus 2, 4, 5, 6. What is your answer? 6 different genotype. Another question. 6 different genotypes are possible in a ABO blood grouping system. Then how many phenotypes are there in that? Genotypes 6 ಇರಬಹುದು, ಆದರೆ phenotype ಅಂತ ಕೇಳುವಾಗ your answer is what? 4. Genotype 6 but phenotypes are what? 4. ಯಾಕೆ? Because A blood group itself available in 2 different genotype. B blood group can be due to 2 different genotype. That's why totally 6 different genotype, but the phenotypes are how many? Only 4. Clear? Write down the notes. I will quickly dictate, and before going to the notes, let me read question that appeared last Sunday in the NEET question. Okay, NEET 2020 NEET. Hope you have got the question paper. Let me read that question that was based on this one. ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಸಂಡೇ ಆದ question ಇದು. Okay, exam ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರುವಂತದ್ದು. Try to find the answer. Identify the wrong statement with respect to gene I that controls ABO blood grouping. Wrong statement ಅನ್ನು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸೂಪರ್ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಬಂದ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 1, a person will have only 2 of the 3 alleles. For gene I ಅವರು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ only 2 of the 3 alleles will be present in a person. Right? No? Yes, because the individual is diploid. Correct. Option 2, when IA and IB are present together, they express same type of sugar. When IA and IB are present together, they express same type of word. Same is there. I hope you got the answer. Okay, and ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಯಾವುದು wrong? Option 2 is wrong. Let us see what about option 3 and 4. Option 3, allele I does not produce any sugar. This is also correct. Option 4, the gene I has 3 alleles. That is also right. So what is the wrong statement or the wrong option? Option 2, where IA and IB they say produce same sugar. Is this true? No, they produce slightly different sugar. They are not exactly same. Okay, mark it a very important question. Write down the heading. I will read the notes. Note down. Next line in that subheading, multiple alleles. In that write down. First we will complete multiple alleles. Definition for 1 mark. 3 or more alternative forms of a gene in bracket allele. Alternative forms of a gene in bracket allele present at same locus on a homologous chromosome in a population are called multiple alleles. In a population are called multiple alleles. Underline multiple alleles, comma, and the phenomena is called multiple allelism. Underline or gene polymorphism, multiple allelism or gene polymorphism. Underline both. It is a 1 mark or is that question. Define multiple alleles. Next line. Since in an individual only 2 alleles can be present, since in an individual only 2 alleles can be present, comma, multiple alleles can be found only when population studies are made. Very important. Okay, multiple alleles can be seen only when population studies are made, but individually kevala 2 matra. Next line. Example, ABO blood grouping system in human. Usually 2 mark ge keltare. Define multiple alleles. Give an example. What is the example? ABO blood grouping system in humans. Next line. Carl Landsteiner discovered ABO blood grouping system. Next line. Gene I, underline gene capital I, gene I controls the ABO blood grouping system by producing sugar polymer in bracket antigen, close the bracket, on the surface of RBC. Next line. Gene I consists of 3 alleles in the population, underline in the population, comma, hence called multiple alleles, full stop. Continue the same line. They are IA, IB and small I. Next line. Allele IA and IB produce slightly different sugar, underline slightly different sugar, once again in a bracket antigen, confusion ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ, sugar ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಿದು antigen, close the bracket, while allele small I does not produce any sugar. Next line. Both IA and IB are dominant. IA and IB are dominant to allele small I, full stop. Continue the same line. But IA is not dominant over IB. IA is not dominant over IB nor NOR, N for Nepal, NOR, nor IB is dominant over IA. Next line. Combination of these 3 alleles result in different blood groups in humans. Next, you have to write this. Okay, idu correct agi gottirbeku, very important. Next, write this one. Okay, after that next line, subheading codominance. Just now I completed which one? Multiple allele. Next line is subheading codominance. Mark it a very important 2 mark question. It is the inheritance in which both alleles of the gene, are equally dominant or expressed. Example, ABO blood grouping system in humans. In bracket gottirli AB blood group. In the board's exam, your answer is what? ABO blood grouping antane baribeku. Don't write AB blood group because it is mentioned in the NCERT. Okay, 2 mark question. Definition 1 mark. Example 1 mark. Next line. When IA and IB are present together, comma, IA and IB are present together, comma, equally dominant and produce AB blood group. Is that clear? This is a 5 mark concept. What is that? Codominance and multiple alleles. Next line. Take a note separately. Write down. Note in that problem number 1, write down the question first. If the father is with blood group AB, okay, and mother with blood group O, comma, what are the blood groups of their progeny? So what is the question? Father is with blood group AB and mother with blood group O. What are the blood groups of their progeny? With 4 choice will be there, but here I have given a question directly. Now can you identify the answer for this? So try to write down neatly. Okay, later on when you go to the NEET, it becomes very easy for you. Father is with which blood group? AB blood group. Mother is with O blood group. Now can you write the genotype of these two? What is the genotype? IA, IB. AB blood group anta ಹೇಳಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ genotype ಯಾವುದು? IA, IB. O blood group anta ಹೇಳುವಾಗ what is the genotype? Small I. Is there any other alternative is possible? No, only these two. ಅಲ್ವಾ? During reproduction, first step is formation of gamete. 50% of the gametes or the sperm produced by the father or the male has IA, remaining 50% contain IB, whereas all eggs produced by the female have what? Small I only. Suppose if the egg having I fertilized by sperm having the allele IA, ಇವರಿಬ್ಬರು fusion ಆದರೆ the zygote what is formed, right? The progeny, later on progeny is going to have IA small I. What is the blood group of the child? IA small I. IA produces sugar, small I does not. IA produces A antigen. So what is the blood group of the child? A blood group. Instead, if this ova is fertilized by, instead of this sperm, the sperm having allele IB, okay, what about that case? It is IB small I. IB small I. So then what is the blood group? It is B blood group. Suppose if there is a marriage between a AB blood group and a O blood group, if their couples are AB and O, whether their kids will be A and B, if the if either the male or the female, if they complain that mine is AB, yours is O, my son is not with AB or not with even O, they are different blood group, you are cheated me, whether it is the right thing? No, right? Remember, ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇರುವಾಗ ಇಂತಹ ಕಪಲ್ಸಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಎ ಬಿ ಮತ್ತು ಓ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಹುಟ್ಟೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ರೈಟ್, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿ. ಈವನ್ someone may come and ask you this type of question, so you can easily sort out this one. Write down one more problem. Problem number 2. This you can solve easily. If the father is heterozygous for A blood group and mother is heterozygous for B blood group, what are the blood groups of their progeny? Father is heterozygous for A blood group. You have to focus here. Mother is also what? Heterozygous for B blood group. So A blood group heterozygous anta helidre, the genotypic condition will be what? IA small I. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ father is homozygous for A ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, okay, before continuing, pause the video, you first practice this, then you go to the answer, please. Okay, IA small I. Heterozygous for B ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, what is that? IB small I. Now during reproduction, the first step is formation of what? Gamete. The egg sperm produced by the male individual, 50% contain IA, remaining 50% contain small I. Here it is IB and small I. Now what are the possible combination? The possible combination I can show like this. But I have seen many a times when students in the NEET hall, when they get such question in that short period of time, they get confused ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಹರಿಬರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನೋ ಒಂದು ರೈಟ್ ಲೈನನ್ನು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ರಾಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇರುವಾಗ ಬೆಟರ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಟು ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್, ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಫ್ checkerboard. Now here quickly it is very easier. IA small I, here it is what? IB small I. Now quickly sub here what can be possible? A child with IA, IB, nothing but AB blood group can be possible, right? Apart from that, IBI, B blood group can be seen. IA small I, A blood group, small I O. Father is with heterozygous to A, mother is heterozygous to B blood group. The progeny could be either A blood group, B blood group, AB blood group, O blood group progeny can be possible. Hope you know your blood group. Now you have, if you are AB, no doubt at all. O, no confusion. If you are A and B blood group, then you need to go through the blood group of your mom and dad. Again, you may even need the help of blood groups of your grandfather, grandmother also. By keeping that, by knowing that, easily you can calculate or find out, are you a homozygous or heterozygous to A blood group, B blood group, what is your blood group, that you can easily calculate. Dear students, this is one of the very important part in the NEET also. Go through that. Thank you.